저희 도련님이 한국라면을 먹었는데 진짜 맛있었대요. 솔직히 훔쳐가는 것 같아요.
What is he doing?
He's stealing my lamb.
Dude, are you serious?
No.
It's too good, dude. I gotta take it home.
Wow.
Yeah.
You're lucky you're my brother. Look at him. He's escaping. Are you really gonna leave, dude? What are you?
진짜 좋아한대요. 그래서 친구들이랑 나눠 먹는다고 한국라면 가져가고 있어 지금. 우.
What the? You can turn it up to roller coaster mode like this.
Oh no, you don't wanna have
See?
barf.
And then it goes.
Oh my.
You guys should prank phone call somebody. That one was popular. Watch it.
One more time, please. One more time, Grandpa. Oh my goodness.
1, 2, 3, 4.
And you can adjust the brightness on the little ballast right there behind on the
rest now.
the little dial.
Last time, okay? 힘들어. 할아버지 힘들어.
1, 2, 3. 2, 3.
Because I don't want it to be brighter than what's coming. I'm excited for the ribs.
아, 뽀뽀기스. 아.
There you go. All right. Good job. Melanie, come here. Sit down. Sit down.
Give this to Grandpa.
Thank you so much.
Happy Father's Day, Dad.
Thank you, everybody. 3 of my sons are here. It's awesome. So I can open it?
Yeah, open it. Oh, I just want to point out, Melody signed it on the side.
Right there, it says
And on the
Melody.
bottom too.
Oh, yeah. What? What?
What'd you get? Oh, an espresso,
It said
dude.
Wait a minute, that's what I just got. Oh, you did.
Okay, this ought to be something good.
Oh, so it's not an espresso.
Oh! Thanks, you guys. I needed some of this. Oh, that's good. Oh, yeah.
Happy Father's Day!
Thank you.
That's it.
Can't go wrong with sour worm. Oh, Chris did get me a espresso. Well, wait a minute. I got a carousel for an espresso. Oh, I bet it's something different in here too, huh? What are you guys doing?
Oh, some AirPods, dude.
All right. Nice. Thank you.
All right, that's it. That's a real present.
Ah,
There's nothing else.
cool.
So the unboxing experience with Apple products is pretty good, so you should open it.
Ready? 1, 2.
The smells really good.
Oh, earbuds, huh? No.
These are wireless earbuds. I got a little engraving on them, so you know they're yours.
Really? This thing?
Ready?
There's an engraving on it?
Yeah.
Make this.
What is it?
It's a mouse. It's a mouse emoji.
Mouse your mouse.
That's pretty funny.
That is cool.
You can just put it there or what?
Thanks, Chris.
Happy Father's Day. Big things come in small packages, let me tell you. Those will change your life.
I bet. Wow, these are gonna be. I'll put these to use.
I know you will, because that's like the next step in technology, because you're already on the iPhone bandwagon.
Really cool.
Pop them in, see how they feel.
Should be able to just click them and connect them to your phone right away.
Take out your phone, pop them in.
I was making sure what ear they go in.
That one's for your right.
How do you know?
I know. That one's for your right.
Oh, okay.
Can I eat one of those sour worms yet, or?
Yes, open them up.
You like this?
Huh?
You like that?
Yeah.
You can have it.
I thought.
I don't like sour.
You don't like sour?
No. You go wrong.
Okay, so put them back in the case.
Oh, Grandpa's got a boo-boo.
boo-boo there.
Oh man, look at that.
Yeah.
Go get Band-Aid. Go get a Band-Aid?
Does need a Band-Aid. Okay, so go into settings.
Nope, grab these.
Boo-boo.
Okay, let go.
Grandpa got boo-boo.
Alright, well, maybe it's not.
Is your Bluetooth on?
Pretty seamless once you get it set up.
Good job.
Try going just back and open the
You fix Grandpa's boo boo melody.
Grandpa got put it away.
now itself, yeah.
Oh, cool. And then I need another, oh, thank you, baby.
No, it's in here.
Should come with another cord.
Oh, you have to take that one.
That. Welcome to the future.
Now put it on.
Cool, Grandpa.
That looks pretty gross, Grandpa. That looks infected. You should put some medicine on there. That looks pretty red.
It is. It's from the dogs licking it.
All right. Oh no. Bye.
Bye bye, baby Heidi.
That's so cute.
Bye bye.
Thanks for coming. Bye. Oh, you better say hi. What do you say? Who's on the left?
See you later, Joel.
Yeah, I'm gonna.
Baby, you are so pretty. You're so pretty, baby.
She pooped.
Oh, she pooped? Oh, yeah, pooped.
Hey!
See you later.
Father's Day poop. Thanks for coming.
Bye, Melody. Give me a hug.
Lydia, get ready.
No.
Get ready.
Did you just say no?
Well, wait, listen to it. She doesn't want you to leave. Oh, it's Grandpa's mom.
Come here.
TikTok.
Come here.
Whoa, TikTok.
Grandpa's got her listening to
Why are you so upset?
He was so good. He needs one of my dad's clocks.
She likes it. It's true.
Nice.
I'll be right back. You know I'm oblivious. That's bad.
That one's a little spicier.
Caffeine.
That one's like straight up like coffee pretty much. So.
Okay, I don't want Kahlua.
That one tastes like spaghetti ramen.
Yeah, that one's the meat sauce, meat spaghetti.
Tastes a little like spaghetti.
Mm-hmm. Spicy spaghetti.
Ooh. Ooh. The aftertaste is oh.
You helped Dr.
Ooh.
Oh, you helped me with my too much here, too. You helped me a little bit.
Oh. Oh, it gets worse. Like if you stop eating.
Yeah, you have to keep going or else it's gonna burn.
Bye.